Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download a ligand structure from the PubChem database and perform energy minimization using PyRx for molecular docking studies. First, we will search for the required ligand in the PubChem database and download its structure file in SDF format. Then, we will import the ligand into PyRx and use the built-in Open Babel optimization tool to perform energy minimization. After opening the ligand page in the PubChem database, scroll down to the 3D conformer section. Now click on Download located beside the 3D structure viewer. A download options window will appear on the screen. From the available file formats, select SDF format, which is commonly used for molecular docking and ligand preparation. Finally, click on Download to save the ligand molecule to your project folder. Now save the ligand molecule using its compound name. Make sure the file name is short and does not contain any spaces or special characters, as this may cause errors during docking and file processing. Now open the PyRx software. Once the interface loads, go to the Molecules section and click on Load Molecule. Browse to your project folder, select the ligand file in SDF format, and click Open to import the ligand into PyRx for energy minimization. For energy minimization, right-click on the imported ligand molecule and select Minimize selected. In the minimization settings, choose the MMFF94 force field, which is commonly used for small organic molecules. First, perform energy minimization using the conjugate gradient method with 200 steps. After completion, repeat the minimization using the steepest descent method, again with 200 steps, to further optimize the ligand structure. Once the minimization process is complete, save the optimized ligand molecule in PDB file format inside your working folder for further docking analysis. Save the minimized ligand molecule using its compound name without any spaces or special characters in the file name. While saving the file, choose PDB in the Save as Type option to store the ligand in PDB file format for further molecular docking studies.